Okay, so I outsourced this embroidery. But I like this look better with all this being embroidered, so everything goes together. So I had cut these down to exactly the measurements that I needed, the fabric, and when I send it off to get it embroidered, so that when I got them back, I just have to do a few things and sew them all together. So you'll get to see me do that today. So first, I don't like this much backer that's on here for the embroidery, so I'm going to just trim it off.
It just makes the fabric a little bit more stiffer, so I'm only going to trim around the perimeter.
Just like that. So I had them center this up and down, left and right, but it's fatter here than it is here. The reason being, this has a 2-inch turn for the draw strings. You'll see that. So let me draw that line. And then while I'm here, I go ahead and put my marks for the grommets for the drawstring. So this is a 1.5 in, 3/4 of an inch down for center. So 1.5 inches, 3/4. And that will be for my grommets. So I'll go ahead and put my holes in here for my grommets. So then what I do also, just so that it keeps its memory, I'm going to go ahead and turn this down to my 2-inch. And I like ironing it so it keeps its memory, like I said. Voila. So I go ahead and put my tick marks on here for the straps. Let me see. Yeah. I do 5 inches down, my 1 inch, then from the bottom up, 2 inch. I'll show you what that is. Then it's 5.5 here because my 1/2 inch seam. So I have here these are going to be just some tabs that I put on it, and so that'll be down in this area. When I sew it all together, you'll see that too. Okay, so I got all my marks. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to go over here and I'm going to serge the top and the bottom where the pocket is, because I like to finish edges. I don't. There's this material, it frays, see? So I'll serge this. I used to have a commercial machine. A friend of mine gave me this home jobby, but it does good. And I burn off the edges. And I'll do the other end piece. So now I will put the grommets in. Already have the holes already pre-cut, as you've seen. Line it up and press away and it's done. There you have that. And I already pre-cut all my draw ties, and I also pre-cut the webbing here for the strap, the handle. You'll see that when I sew it. And all right, got my drawstring in, got it folded over. So this part of sewing it all together, it starts here, then I'll double it back, and then we'll sew that. So let me bring you over to the sewing machine. Actually, I'm going to take these out so the fabric will lay flat. Just trying to get ahead of the game. I'll feed it through after. No big deal. In a circle. Pull it through. Put this on for now. Put a knot in it. Normally do about a 1/2 inch. Come on. Cooperate with me, please. Line up both pieces. And so we go. Got one of my straps here. Alright. Down the line we go. Alright, then we flip up the other side. Get it ready to be sewn in here. Now remember, we have the tab to put in, so I'll put that in. Trying to get it in there as straight as I can, so it's straight when we turn it inside out, the bag that is. Alrighty, here it goes. Now we tie in the end here. Alright, now we'll serge it. We'll put a second serge on this, just because. Alright, one more surge to go. I just love surges. Alrighty, now to turn it right side out. Grab hold of the end. There we go. have this rod here that I put inside here so that I can open up the ends down at the bottom, the corners. You see what I'm talking about here? See, to push out the bottom part. Get it dirty. Have to clean that up. And there's the tag down at the bottom. Let me put it on the table. I'll show it. So there you have it. One finished bag. Got the draw ties here. So when you have it in there, you just pull these two tight. You're good to go. Whoops, sorry. There you go with the draw ties. There's the logo once again. Alright, remember, like and subscribe, and put on your notifications if you like this sort of content. Sorry. As you can tell with my name of my channel, MacGyver, if any of you are old enough to watch that show back in the day, MacGyver, I'm kind of like him in a lot of ways, I guess. I'm very creative, and I do a lot of different things, so you'll notice that on my channel of how many things I dabble into. So thank you for watching.